buying Snapchat using the Apple gift card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy Snapchat Plus using the Apple gift card. So for that you have to have your Apple gift card added to your Apple Store. So for that you have to go to your Apple Store application, then you have to tap on your profile. In your profile you will easily be able to see an option for payment. You have to go to that option, and then there you will easily be able to add your gift card right here. After adding the money to your Apple Store, you simply have to go to the Snapchat. So currently, as you guys can see, I'm in my Android, but in the process of the iOS is the same. You have to tap on your profile. In your profile you have to tap on this gear icon, which will open up the settings option. Here you have to tap on the Snapchat Plus, and then you have to tap on subscribe. After that you have to tap on next. After that you have to tap on subscribe. After that it will open up the App Store. Currently, as you guys can see, the Google Play popped up, but in your case in iOS, the App Store will pop up and you will easily be able to pay using that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.